good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yeah, I can hear, I can see you well.
Yes, that's great. This is Masa, right?
Yeah, right.
Like,
So yeah, my real name is Yamaguchi Masa, but because it's a little long to call, so please call me Masa.
all right, nice to meet you today,
Yeah,
Masa.
nice to meet you too.
Yes, how are you? How's it
Yeah,
going?
yeah, pretty good, pretty good. So because I cannot take the face-to-face lessons because of
Mm,
COVID-19, so I have not just about to use online lessons, but
mm.
now I can enjoy the good point and benefits of online lessons.
Wow, that's
So
good. That's good, that's good. That's nice,
yeah.
yes. All right, so are you in senior high school or junior high school?
Yeah, so I'm a I'm a freshman in a university.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm
wow.
18 years old.
Yeah,
So
you look so young. That's
thank
why.
you. So actually,
Yeah.
so my height is not so long, not so tall. So I'm not so tall. So I, I
Yeah.
want to I want to gain or I want to get some height
Yeah,
enough to
yeah,
be
yeah, that's right.
regarded as gentle
Mm.
as great big person.
Yeah, 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 that's right. It's a lot better. Are you into sports also? Like,
Mm, yeah, so when I was a high school student, I played soccer. I played
oh,
soccer.
soccer.
Yeah,
Oh,
soccer.
that's very
So
tough.
yeah, it
Yeah.
was tough. But after entering the university, I
Mm.
quit it.
Oh,
I
so you
quit it
kidded,
because I
yes.
want I wanted to focus on learning
Academic.
English. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow. Is it really difficult, at the university compared to high school
Hmm.
studies? Kind
You're
of,
right.
oh, wow. So you really need to focus on your studies right now, right?
Yeah, actually,
Mm,
the mm, the difficulties, the level of
the
classes
level.
or lectures is not a big deal for me.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because I'm a freshman and the courses I have to take are so easy and simple.
Oh, really?
They are all introductory course.
I
Introduction,
see.
yeah,
Yes,
introduction. Yeah,
that's
of
right.
course, as as my grade
Mm,
proceed, I will have to take a more complicated
more
classes
complicated
and
classes,
yeah.
yes.
But now at the moment, I don't have to take so much effort and
Oh,
time to
so
understand the content, so it's not a big deal.
just enjoy it
Yeah,
right
just
now.
enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Maybe next year, right? You will have major subjects, something like that. It
Yeah,
will be
right.
difficult.
Yeah, I
Oh,
have to proceed my learning more
yeah.
for Yeah, great. Okay, so today I
Yeah.
want to talk
Mm-hmm.
with you about some psychological
Wow,
topic. So because
psychological
my
topic. Yeah.
major is psychology.
Oh,
Okay,
really? That's
my
nice.
major is psychology.
Wow. It's very tough again.
Yeah, tough. Yeah,
Psychological, yes.
yeah. So because in order to acquire some insights and knowledge, I have
Insights.
to read some thesis or
Oh, really?
dissertation written in English. So
Really? As early as now? I mean, you're just a freshman? You are going
yeah,
to
freshman.
do that? I mean, dissertation and thesis?
Yeah.
Really?
So
Very
yeah,
tough.
actually, I mean
Hmm.
the first grade student don't have to read thesis or dissertation so
Hmm.
much, but because uh, I'm joining a seminar. I'm joining a seminar.
A journal like a
So
journalism? You
to
joined journalism
joining a seminar of
seminar.
psychology, yeah, seminar of psychology,
Psychology.
yeah, as a program, as a program
Uh-huh.
of
Programmer?
yeah, as a kind of program yeah,
Problem.
provided by me my university. Okay,
Mm.
I'm sorry,
Is
my
it?
pronunciation might be wrong.
Did you
So
say problem? Was it?
a
Mm. Can I?
program or so
Oh, program.
yeah,
Program. Yes.
and
Yeah.
more understandable term, course.
Cause.
Yeah,
The
other
cause.
yeah other activity of a course,
Mm.
and so
This one, right?
even
Cause.
no
No.
yeah
Mm.
course I,
A course.
course yeah course
With you. Oh yeah.
the
Yes. Yes.
course.
Yes. 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 Course.
So so yeah, right. I'm
Sorry.
sorry. So despite I'm a freshman, I
Mm.
can join a seminar of
Wow.
psychology
That's good.
thanks to this program. So in the program,
Mm.
in the seminar I have to give a presentation to other members in
Wow.
English. Yeah,
In
in English.
English. Oh,
In English.
very challenging. Wow.
So yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
reading some papers and
Mm-hmm. Ah,
dissertations
you have.
and explain the content. Explain
Wow.
the papers or dissertation that are read.
Hmm.
So it's a little painstaking and
Yeah.
painstaking and
Wow.
troublesome seminar. But
Oh,
thanks to that seminar,
that's good. That's good. Hmm.
I can become skilled and excelled at psychology compared to other
Exactly. You
students.
are
Yeah,
so
yeah,
advanced.
yeah.
Yeah.
And today I want to talk with you about misattribution.
Hmm.
Misattribution.
That's
Do
a
you know?
tradition. Not, I'm
Yeah,
not so much
misattribution.
familiar with that. Let me see. I'm
Misattribution.
not really good in psychology.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, no problem, no problem.
Yeah, miss.
So
Actually, I'm not familiar with this
yeah. Okay.
misattribute. You
I'll
can
explain it.
share
I'll
with me,
explain it.
please.
Okay.
Okay.
So, uh, misattribution is failing at attribute properly. Failing at
Oh,
attribution
feeling at
properly. So
attribution
failing.
properly.
Okay. For example,
Hmm.
okay. Uh, if your mother got angry,
Hmm.
if your mother
Mother
gets
get
angry,
angry.
and you want to know the reason of
Mm-hmm.
her anger,
The reason of your
and
anger.
yeah, the answer is that you did not your homework due to
Oh.
the deadline,
Mm-hmm.
due the deadline, but if you figure out that the reason of her anger is your bad attitude,